Hey yo, it's your man T-Rock here at the Fade Shop. Man, I see that right there. Check us out. You never know who's gonna roll through the Fade Shop, man. We got a special guest in the house right now. Tell them a little bit about yourself, man.
Hey, I don't know, man. We from the crib, you know what I mean? I walk up in here and see Travis, and how small the world is. We both from Baton Rouge, and now we back in D-Town, and Travis is doing it up, man. You know, Bubba T-Rock, looking it up, you know.
Just so you know, this is my man Charles Hawkins. Tell them a little bit about what you do.
All right. Of course, you know, I'm a professional multi-level marketer now, and I promote a 90-day health challenge, and we got there making people healthy and wealthy at the same time. So we curing, you know, two things. We fighting that obesity epidemic, and we fighting that financial problem in people's lives. So if you got any desire to change somebody's life or to change yourself, you just look at me, man. Look me up on www.cehawkins.bodybyvibe.com, or you can just hit Travis and I'll get you.
That's what's up. So you're taking the weight off the bodies and putting them in the pockets.
Yeah, take the weight off the body and put
the
weight
weight
in
your
pocket. That's what we do. That's what we do.
All right, yeah, y'all see my man just got a fresh cut. You know what I'm saying? Just want y'all to know a little bit about what my man got going on. So we out, man. Fade Shop. Peace.